How to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see if we can join someone on Roblox without being friends with them or not. So to find out, let's get started. Joining someone on Roblox without being friends with them is possible if the privacy settings allow others to join their game. Now to join someone, first of all, you have to open up Roblox in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. After that, you have to ensure that you have the username of the person that you want to or that you wish to join. Now, once you land in this home page, tap on Add Friends. Here, tap on the search bar and then type in the username of the profile that you wish to find. Make sure you type in the correct username. Now locate the user, tap on it, scroll down a bit and then tap on View Full Profile. On their profile, if you have the Join Game button, you can simply tap on it. If the button is visible, that means their settings allow you to join their game even if you're not friends. So you can simply tap on Join Game button to enter the same game they are playing. But in case if the Join Game button is not visible, then you have to follow this account. For that, tap on three dot icon and then tap on Follow. After following, you might have the option to join their game if they have enabled the option for followers. In case if you're not able to find the game they are playing, you can simply go to the game they are playing by searching for it on the Roblox. Once you search for the game, you can look for the username in the in-game player list. If you see it, you can try joining the server they are in. Or if they're playing on a private server and have shared the link, you can join using that link as well. So these are the way to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.